Welcome back. We start tonight's forecast on our regional radar where we're already starting to see some rain moving across the northern portions of the state of Illinois. Most of the rain's currently sat over Iowa and Nebraska. That's going to continue to move southeast as we progress throughout the evening and into tomorrow. But we had a beautiful day across east central Illinois. The sun's just now started to set. Looking at our present area conditions, 63 here in Charleston, and we're just holding on to the sun in Taylorville, but 65 out west. And that's down from today's highs where we did see some towns nearly reach 70, 69 in Effingham, and 68 in both Decatur and Champaign. We only got up to 65 here in Charleston. We were one of the colder spots today, but overnight tonight we're going to see conditions drop down, but not as much as we normally would, 55 for our overnight low. That's due in part to the rain that's moving in tonight. Moisture and water does tend to moderate temperatures when it comes to our forecast, but along with that, some possible thunderstorms overnight tonight and winds coming from the south at times of up to 20 miles an hour. And as you get out the door tomorrow, definitely start out with an umbrella or a rain jacket because the rain is going to be with us to start the morning, 55 as you get out the door, and we're not going to be warming up a whole lot tomorrow. Only a couple of degrees, 56 around your 2 o'clock hour. And as we look at our full daily breakdown for Thursday, 57 for our daytime high. So we're going to be staying pretty well near our daytime or our overnight low tomorrow. That's due in part to that moisture I told you about. That's going to tend to moderate temperatures. Winds are also going to be shifting from the southwest to the north throughout the day, and that's in part to the cold front that is associated with this rain system. That's going to be pushing through east central Illinois. Now, looking at Futurecast, we're going to let this roll out for you, but you are going to start to see some showers entering the picture late tonight into early tomorrow morning. 1 o'clock Thursday, we're already starting to see some pockets of showers, and as we let this progress through, we're going to start to see some more pockets as we get closer to sunrise. 7 o'clock, we're going to start to see predominantly just pockets of showers, but the main concern is the early morning tomorrow. As you saw, a lot of the southeastern portion of our viewing area, including towns such as Newton and Robinson, are going to be seeing the bulk of the showers tomorrow, but most of the area will be seeing some form of precipitation. And by the time that we reach the evening hours tomorrow, the clouds will be working their way out and we'll be left with partly cloudy skies. Now, we do have some opportunity for severe weather. Storm Prediction Center National Weather Service has put out a marginal risk for the northern portions of our viewing area. That includes counties such as Vermilion, Champaign, Piatt, and the northern portion of Macon County. Now, that predominantly means that there's a decent, not a decent chance, but a chance of hail, but no real damaging winds or tornadic activity. But when it's all said and done, rain projections were slotted in to receive right about 1/4 of an inch of rain, but it varies depending on where you are. Further out west near Decatur and Taylorville, we're going to be seeing less rain, only around 1/10 of an inch, but further east, especially into Indiana, we're going to see closer to that 1/2 inch point, with Paris and Terre Haute receiving 4/10 of an inch of rain. And for the rest of this work week and the weekend, we're going to be cooling down significantly, 52 for our high tomorrow. So we are going to be, or on Friday, so we are going to be dropping down a little bit, but partly cloudy skies. We're going to see clear skies for Saturday, but below average for the first time in quite a while, 40 degrees for our high. But we will be back up near the 60s for Sunday, 60 degrees for the high. For the rest of the next 7 days, we're going to be back up into the 60s for the start of next work week.